How to install our full motion dual monitor wall mount. Wood stud mounting option. Center the mount on the stud, check the level, and mark the center of the mounting holes with a pencil. Drill the pilot holes using a 3/16 inch drill bit to a depth of 2.2 inches. Secure the spring arm to the wall using the lag screws and washers. Tighten the screws until secure. For concrete or brick mounting, hold the mount on the wall, check the level, and mark the center of the mounting holes with a pencil. Drill the pilot holes using a 3/8 inch drill bit to a depth of 2.4 inches. Insert the concrete anchors and secure the spring arm to the wall using the lag screws and washers. Insert the decorative covers into each of the bolt holes. Select the appropriate size mounting bolt for your display's mounting holes. Install the top 2 bolts and washers to the monitor, leaving a gap of approximately 0.11 inches. Hang the monitor onto the top of the VESA plate as shown. Install the lower 2 bolts and washers through the lower holes. Tighten all 4 bolts until secure. Do not over-tighten. If necessary, adjust the gas spring tension to balance your monitor. Position the monitor horizontally. If it drops, increase tension. If it rises, decrease tension. To adjust, lift the arm to access the tension bolt and use the provided hex wrench. Rotate counterclockwise or to the plus sign for heavier monitors, or clockwise to the minus sign for lighter ones until the arm stays in place. The monitor can be tilted and rotated by hand. If the monitor droops or won't hold its angle, tighten the side bolts. To use the cable management system, first remove the cable management covers by removing the bolts using the hex wrench and pulling the covers away from the arm. Route the monitor cables beneath and then replace the covers and their bolts.